Welcome to Exam Sale. This script breaks down the GIAC Security Essentials, or GSEC, syllabus so you know exactly what to study and why each area matters. Overview of the GSEC domains and weights. Networking and network defense is 25%. Windows security and access control is 20%. Linux security and administration is 15%. Cryptography is 15%. Web, cloud, and wireless security is 15%. And risk management and incident response is 10%. The exam combines hands-on and scenario-based assessments with conceptual questions, so you should balance theory and practical labs. Networking and network defense is weighted at 25%, labeled hard, and estimated at 45 hours of study with hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will learn deep OSI model concepts, TCP/IP analysis, IP addressing and subnetting, and how to read TCP, UDP, and ICMP headers. You will study network architecture and secure design including VLANs, NAT, and secure router and switch configurations. You will also cover defenses such as packet filtering and stateful firewalls, IDS and IPS architectures, signature and anomaly detection, web application firewall concepts, and content inspection. Windows security and access control is 20%, medium difficulty, with about 35 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will master Active Directory structure, group policy implementation, domain controller hardening, and delegation of administration. Expect to learn NTFS and share permission management, Kerberos and NTLM authentication, ACLs and ACEs, and local privilege and account management. The domain also covers securing Windows services, endpoint hardening, patch management, PowerShell for administration, configuring auditing, and log analysis for threat hunting. Linux security and administration is 15%, medium difficulty, with an estimated 25 hours and hands-on assessment components. You will learn core Linux administration and hardening, including file system permissions, user and group management, sudo controls, and kernel hardening. The syllabus includes SSH configuration and key management, package and update practices, and service hardening for Apache and Ginx. You will also study firewall tools like iptables and ntables, system security features, logging with syslog and journal, and auditing system calls for investigations. Cryptography is 15%, considered hard, with around 30 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will cover symmetric and asymmetric encryption, hashing and collision resistance, digital signatures, and common algorithms such as AES, RSA, ECC, and SHA. The course explains block cipher modes, key management life cycle and storage, and how to deploy PKI with certificate authority management. You will also study SSL/TLS handshakes, VPN cryptography, data at rest and in-transit protections, code signing, and steganography detection and mitigation techniques. Web, cloud, and wireless security is 15%, medium difficulty, with about 30 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. You will learn HTTP and HTTPS security, browser hardening, session management, and common web vulnerabilities including XSS, SQL injection, and CSRF along with OWASP Top 10 mitigations. The cloud section covers IAH, PAS, and SaaS models, the shared responsibility model, hypervisor and container security, and cloud identity and access controls. Wireless topics include WPA2 and WPA3, 802.1x authentication, detecting rogue access points, and securing Bluetooth and IoT devices. Risk management and incident response is 10%, easy difficulty, with an estimated 15 hours and conceptual plus scenario assessment. You will study risk assessment methodologies, qualitative and quantitative analysis, and risk treatment options such as avoid, mitigate, accept, or transfer. The domain covers security policy development, compliance basics, asset classification, and critical security controls. It also teaches the incident response life cycle including preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and basic digital forensics and evidence preservation. In conclusion, the GSEC syllabus blends deep technical skills and practical security operations across 6 domains, Prioritize networking and network defense and cryptography for their weight and difficulty, and balance hands-on labs with policy and response practice. Good luck studying and use practical exercises, lab environments, and consistent revision to prepare effectively.